So you may have noticed Ethereum is pumping even more than anything. So the altcoins of Ethereum, such as Ethereum Classic and Ethereum Name Service, are pumping way more than Bitcoin itself because of this Bitcoin ETF. You may have heard that the Bitcoin Spot ETF has recently just got approved, and we have seen the official announcement from the SEC itself. But you may have noticed that Bitcoin itself hasn't pumped that much. So what could the reason be? The reason is that most people are focusing on other altcoins such as Ethereum and Ethereum's altcoins. So Ethereum, the main coin, Ethereum Classic, and Ethereum Name Service. These are the recent pumping coins that we are seeing in the market. So let's get right into the video and let's talk more about these coins. So we are currently on our screen and we are on coinmarket.com. And we can see we are on the main list of all cryptocurrencies, which Bitcoin is at $45,930.61. It is currently down by 0.7% from 1 hour ago. It is down by 1.55%, and it is up by 4.5% in the past 7 days. But compared to Ethereum, it is down by less. So Ethereum is up by more. It is up by 14.32%. But if we look at the most moved cryptocurrency, so if we click on this 24-hour symbol, we can see the most moved cryptocurrency in the past 24 hours. So if we look at these most moved cryptocurrency, even in the 7-day, we can see that Ethereum Name Service has currently moved up the most in all cryptocurrencies in the past 24 hours or even in the 7-day, and Ethereum Classic taking second place in the most moved. So this is about Ethereum Name Service is about 23.34% up in the past 24 hours and about 50% in the past 7 days. And also Ethereum Classic is up about 8.84% in the past 24 hours and 43.22% in the past 7 days. So today we'll be looking at these cryptocurrencies. So let's take a look at Ethereum Name Service real quick. If we look at Ethereum Name Service's 24-hour volume, we are currently at $706 million, which is up by 106% from yesterday and is currently at number 17 in the most volume in all cryptocurrencies. It is currently at a $684 million market cap, up around 24%. And if we look at our daily chart, we are currently at 23% dollars up. So we are currently trading at $22.35 with our daily high being $24.78. And we started off today at around $18.09. So we have seen huge improvements in just a matter of couple hours. So we have been sideways since then, but we are continuing to seeing more and more green growth. And if we look at the 7-day chart, we can see that the first day of this week wasn't great and it was mostly in the red. It was a little bit of a downtrend and it was pretty flat considering there wasn't much movement in the first couple days. But after the 9th was where things started taking a turn. So if you look at the 9th at around 4 p.m. was where this trend got a reversal and we started heading to the upward direction. So we started heading from around $12, and in just a day and a half we headed to around almost $24.78. So this was an almost a 2x move, so more than 100% move. And if we look at this on tradingview.com and if we measure this out, we can see that, take this ruler tool from here, from the January 9th to 11th, we can see this was a 104% move in just a day and 17 hours. So this is pretty big improvement for Ethereum Name Service that we can see. We have climbed almost 2x in just a matter of couple hours, and in the past week we are still going strong. We are still at above 50% in the past 7 days. So this is good news for Ethereum Name Service and also Ethereum Classic, which is moving very similar to Ethereum Name Service. So if we look at the 7-day graph, we can see the first days were also flat, and we didn't have any much movement in the first 7 days, in the first couple of days. But as we got to the 9th, we have started to see more and more movement, and we saw this pretty big jump from around $20, and we went all the way up to $31.55. So we are still more than 50% up in the past week. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. In this video, we talked about how Bitcoin itself is not pumping after the spot ETF approval, but the other altcoins are pumping. So we can see altcoins pumping like Ethereum. There's also Ethereum name service, which has pumped the most in the past 24 hours and in the past 7 days. And we can also see Ethereum Classic pumping as well. So it is the second most moved in the past 7 days. So that is pretty great news for the Ethereum. And we can also possibly see a Ethereum ETF coming next after this Bitcoin ETF approval that we have just gotten. So stay tuned for that. And if you are new to this channel, we do daily live streams on this channel talking about any recent crypto news and any recent price movements that happened in the crypto community. So if you like to stay updated everything about the crypto community, do watch those live streams daily. And also I create long form content, so long form videos like this. These come also on my channel daily, so stay tuned for that also. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.